Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Stand at least 1 meter back from the escalator edge before stepping on. Look for signage and check escalator direction and speed. Face forward, hold the handrail with one hand, and keep bags secure. Ensure children and pets are close and supervised at all times. Remove loose shoelaces and avoid carrying hot liquids when boarding. Step onto the first moving step with flat shoes and centered footing for stability. Keep a relaxed, slightly bent knee to absorb motion and prepare to ride safely. Stand centered on the step with feet shoulder-width apart for balance. Keep one hand on the handrail and avoid sudden movements that could destabilize other riders. Face forward and keep loose clothing and bag straps away from step edges and comb plates. If you need to use your phone, step off first and pause on the landing. Allow a 3-second gap before stepping off to steady your balance and reposition children or heavy items if needed. Hold children and strollers by the hand, not the child alone. Step off promptly at the top and move away to clear the landing for other riders. Watch for gaps between the last step and the landing. Step forward with intent to avoid catching footwear. If someone trips, press the red emergency stop immediately and assist carefully without placing hands near moving parts. Report malfunctioning lights, grinding noise, or loose steps to staff or transit authorities right away. For strollers, wheelchairs, or mobility devices, use elevators instead, and never attempt to carry them on the escalator.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.